When a spicy girl meets a sweet girl, the results could be anything except flavorless. This is how a spicy girl's morning begins. Sophia is full of energy for another fun day. Everything she does is zesty. Seems like she can't find what to wear. Oh, here it is! Her favorite leather jacket. She can't complete a look without it. Some red sunglasses. Yeah, this fit is fire. Now the effect is complete. Well, no. Something is missing. The taste of a hot pepper, obviously. Not spicy enough. That's a little better. But now she needs to take care of her breath. Time to head to the bathroom to brush her teeth. However, she won't be using toothpaste, but a red chili pepper. Oh, so spicy! Now it's perfect. Things are a lot different over in the Sweet Kingdom. This package looks like a huge piece of candy. Because it is! And sweet little Amelia is hiding inside. The first thing she does after waking up is eat a little candy, of course. Now you can greet the new day. Time to put some makeup on. This Sweet Tooth's makeup table is full of... Is that candy? Where's the makeup? Treats instead of lip gloss. Even sweethearts need to brush their teeth. A lollipop should do the trick. What's with the water in this sink? Is it fruit syrup? Unbelievable! Cavities don't stand a chance. This lollipop sure will come in handy. Time for breakfast. Miss Candy over here is making scrambled eggs. Well, sweet scrambled eggs. From some yogurt and peaches. Desserts are the best! Sophia's eggs are actual eggs, and they are spicy. Oh no, no! Not spicy enough! Needs more pepper. Amelia is brewing some tea. Some doll dishes, some sprinkles. I doubt tea like that will quench your thirst. But she seems to enjoy it. Oops! Just one problem. Looks like the girls mixed up their breakfast plates. And now Amelia is generously sprinkling Sophia's eggs with dessert decor. And Sophia isn't scrimping on the peppers on her sweetie's breakfast. Oh, this will be interesting. Careful, careful! It might be time to back away from the screen. Fatality! Ew! What the heck is this? What a tragedy! 2 wasted breakfasts. The day goes on. Time to get to work. Amelia rides a cute pink bike with a basket. Filled with her favorite candies, of course. Time to put some glucose in the body. And time to go. Wherever Amelia goes, a trail of treats follows. Here's Sophia's ride, a chili-colored hot rod. Like, duh! What a wonderful day! I love not having to rush anywhere. But Sophia doesn't think so. She likes speeding around in her car. The girls clearly live very different lives. Hey, sweetheart, out of the way! Oh Oh well, if you don't want to be late, you are going to have to let her ride with you. And the pink bike can wait in the parking lot. A walk in the park with some cotton candy. What's better than that? But only if you are Amelia. Sophia really isn't feeling it. Hey, honey, what are you so excited about? There's nothing to do here. At least this goth lollipop is saving the situation. A silver lining. Looks like she's found something to make it bearable. A shooting range. Sophia's got a great eye. Just look at that accuracy. And what an awesome prize! I love teddy bears! I wonder what can make a sweet tooth cry so bitterly. Even her favorite candies can't help. Oh, I see. It's this cartoon. Enough of the pink stuff. We need hardcore action. A rock concert is way better. Yeah, rock on! But Amelia is so upset. And Sophia was only joking with her. It's okay, I promise. Just watch your cartoons. What's it like to go on a date with a spicy girl? Cool shoes are way better than high heels. And a bouquet of peppers with black accents are the perfect compliment. Looks like this guy really knows the way to Sophia's heart. They're the hottest couple ever, clearly. Let's see how Amelia's sweet date is going. She likes looking at the world through rose-colored glasses, so her boyfriend has to match. He is such a cutie. A candy bouquet. That's really what Amelia needs. This is all for me? Amelia's boyfriend also has a sweet tooth. What a cute couple! They were made for each other! Yay! Now let's see how these two different girls go shopping together. Sophia doesn't know how to get away from sadness, and Amelia is running around looking for anything pink. Look, a t-shirt with donuts. Isn't it cute? Which one do you think I should get? What difference does it make? For Sophia, they are all the same. Looks like someone's getting heated. But Amelia feels like she's in a fairy tale. Pink! Pink everywhere! Although, looks like there's also something for Sophia. Oh, done already? Yeah, I couldn't make up my mind. Did you seriously just waste 3 hours and not buy anything? You can't leave a candy girl unattended, especially in a huge mall like this. She's like a kid. Hey, are you okay? This isn't the right escalator. Oh no! Sophia, don't leave me here! Ugh, you know that feeling when your friend has a cream puff for a brain? But not all of Amelia's jokes are so harmless. She really loves making it rain candy. Only an umbrella can save you from this lollipop shower. You're gonna get it, sweetie! Amelia is just delighted. Well, what did you expect? She acts like a kid. So, really, I guess it makes sense. Did you like our video about spicy and sweet girls? Which one would you be? Do you like candy or chili flavored chips more? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss all the new sketches from Troom Select.